Wow. Ganda ng color. It's very glossy kahit sa personal. Ang ganda.
Annyeong! Welcome to my channel. My name is Jean and this is Jean Reviews. When I was younger, I already know that my lips are dark, but I don't mind at all because when we were young, the playing is our focus and beauty is nothing for us. But when I became a teenager, it became my insecurity, so I have to put some products, mostly lip balm, in darker shade, mostly are reddish tone, just to hide the darkness of my lips. Until I found out that lip scrubs are actually helping with lips lightening. I actually used lip scrubs before and it really does help. But it's too much work for me because when you do lip scrub on your lips, you have to wait like 10 to 20 minutes and that time you cannot drink. It's just inconvenient. So I was really, really looking for another products, maybe lipstick or lip balm or lip oil, anything that can help my lips lighten up that I can use regularly or conveniently. In the modern days right now, everything is possible. And that's how I found this product from Skintific. This is the Skintific Live Serum. I've been using this for a while now, so I'm so excited to make this review. And what are we waiting for? Let's go with the unboxing.
The packaging is very, very cute with a holographic pink color. All the information is included in the box. It comes with a protective film. And here's the product.
This is a peptide brightening serum. It hydrates, plump looking, it has glossy shine, helps improves the appearance of dry, dull lips, powered by vitamin C. That's good for lightening, and ceramides, good for hydration. More than a gloss, a daily skincare lip treatment. It's a glossy shine with lightweight serum texture. It melt on, comfortable, non-sticky, suitable for repeated daily application. They have a lot of shades. See? And this one is a cherry red. It also has squalane and peptide. Those are good for moisturization. I'm really, really excited to show you guys how this product is. So let's go on now with the wear test.
So, we're gonna try now today this product. And I will show you my lips. Wala akong kahit ano sa lips ko. As you can see, it's very dry. Ganyan talaga ang lips ko. Very dry siya. Lalo na ngayong winter season. And as you can see, sa upper part is darker. Yan. And then lighter sa middle part. Actually, sa lower part din, medyo dark siya. Pero hindi lang halata sa camera. I don't know why. Pero ayan ang aking lips. Super dry niya. So, we're gonna put this now, today. I'm gonna go out kaya naka-makeup ako. Medyo marami yung lumabas. Wow. Ganda ng color. It's very glossy kahit sa personal. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng color niya. I'll show you. Yan. Ang ganda. I like the color. Vivid lang yung color niya. Hindi siya masyadong hindi siya overwhelming. And it's glossy. And I feel like my lips is soft now. I feel like it's moisturized now. Pero let's see. Kasi, syempre, sometimes may mga product na ganun. Sa umpisa lang siya moisturizing. Ay, medyo may naiwan sa teeth ko. So, be careful about that. Ayan. Ang ganda. What do you think? I like the color. Hindi siya overwhelming. At hindi rin siya maputla. So, it's really nice. Ang ganda. And it looks moisturized right now. And it feels moisturized, ah. So, ayan. Titingnan ko kung ilang oras magtatagal to sa lips ko today. I'll see you again. Ayan. Nakauwi na kami kanina pa. Kaya lang, inasikaso ko yung baby ko kasi pag gabi na. Pag mga alas 6 yan. Nakauwi kami ng alas 6. So, mga ganyang oras din natutulog yung baby ko. So, as you can see, look at my mouth. My mouth. Look at my lips. It still looks good, guys. Actually, alam nyo, almost 9 p.m. na nga pala. Yan, almost 9 p.m. na. It's been 5 hours since I put the lip serum. And alam nyo, ang ganda pa rin ng kulay niya. Ang shiny niya pa rin. And nandun pa rin yung color niya. In fairness, kung ano yung itsura ng nilagay ko siya nung una, alas 4, hanggang sa umuwi kami. Ang ganda pa rin. Ganun halos pa din yung itsura niya, no? Maganda pa rin yung kulay. Buo pa rin yung kulay. Though, of course, medyo naghulas siya ng konti. Pero hindi halata. Hindi halata yung hulas niya. Para ka pa rin bagong lagay. Ang gulo, no? Hinahanap ko siya ito. Para pa rin bagong lagay siya nung umuwi kami. Actually, 5 minutes ago, ganun pa din naman yung itsura niya. Kaya lang, nung ginanyan ko na siya, ganyan ko na siya. Ayun, no? Naging ganito na yung kulay niya. But, it still looks good. After 5 hours. Guys, dun sa 5 hours na yon, bago ko siya in-smudge ng ganyan, uminom na ako ng tubig repeatedly. Pero ang ganda pa rin ang kulay niya. Ayan, lumipat ako dito sa CR para makita niyo kasi doon hindi maganda yung light. So, ayan. See, natural lang yung color niya, yung naiwang color. And, alam niyo, nag-moisturize yung aking labi, which is good. Kasi super drying ng labi ko. Pero nag-moisturize siya dito. See, kanina super crack niyan. Ngayon, konti na lang. And, smooth siya sa pakiramdam. Ang ganda. Now, I'm gonna give you an update for Skintific Serum. Today is January 10, so it's been a month already. I didn't apply anything on my lips, so I can show you the after effect. It's dry today kasi nga hindi ako nag-apply ng anything, ng kahit ano. But I want to show you how light it is right now. It's not as dark as before. My lips is not super dark, guys, but it's definitely not as dark as before I used the serum. Especially dito sa lower area. Ayan. Hindi siya magical yung changes niya, pero definitely may changes. Dito sa part na to, as you can see, kita niyo yan, medyo light yung color, ganyan. Medyo patchy-patchy yung pagka-light ng color. Hindi siya yung buong lips light na, no. Parang konti-konti lang yung pag-light ng color niya. Ayan, oh. Kita nyo? I'll show you more. Wait lang, zoom natin ng konti. I-focus natin. Kung focus siya. Ayan, yung light area na yan, patchy-patchy siya, diba? Ganyan yung nangyayari sa lips ko now. Nagla-light siya paunti-unti. Which is good. It means it's effective on lightening your lips. What I noticed, guys, I've been using this almost every day here inside the house. What I've noticed is it's really moisturizing. And the color really pays off. I don't really like the effect or the finish of the color kasi hindi siya ano mo yun, yung pantay yung color sa lips. But I really like that it's the moisturizing effect and actually long lasting siya. And a little goes a long way. See? Konti lang ilagay mo. Actually, mas better kung konti lang ilalagay mo kaysa sa marami. Kasi pag marami, pangit tingnan. Para sa akin kasi hindi pumapantay yung color. At saka, nasasayang yung extra na ilalagay mo. But a little, when you put a little, ayan, pantay yung color niya. Maganda yung payoff. Pag konti lang nilagay mo. Tapos, spread mo lang siya. Ganda ng kulay, diba? It looks healthier kapag naglalagay ako. And it actually feels healthier. it feels moisturizing. At hindi siya malagkit, which is really, really good. I've been using this almost every day. Actually, nung unang application ko, akala ko hindi ko siya magugustuhan. Pero, I ended up using it almost every day. As in. Minsan lang nakakalimutan ko kasi nga tamad ako maglagay. Especially pag nasa bahay lang ako. Kasi nasa bahay lang naman ako, guys. So, minsan nakakalimutan ko maglagay. Pero, most of the time, pag naaalala ko siya, siguro, lunchtime, ganyan, naaalala ko siya. So, naglalagay ako. Kasi super drying ng lips ko, guys. Pero, pag naglalagay ako nito, moisturizing. Moisturize ko yung lips ko. As in. And I really, really like the color. It looks natural. Yun lang, wag lang sa sobrahan. Kasi pag nasobrahan, medyo pangit na. Tsaka madali siyang nag-transfer. Lalo na pag sobra. Yeah, na-transfer siya. So, minsan, for example, nadagi ko siya. Kumakalat siya sa mukha ko. So, wag lang sa sobrahan. A little goes a long way. So, yun guys, ang aking update. Siguro, pag kinontinue ko to, maglalight pa yung aking labi. Maglalight pa siya more.
This product is not smudge proof. That's why I realized I want to use this only inside the house because I really, really want to know if it really lightens the lips at that time. But I end up using it even outside. Regularly, actually regularly inside the house and outside the house because it's the moisturizing power is really, really good and long lasting. So that's why I really, really like using this. Though you really have to be careful if you're gonna use this because one thing, if you are a mask wearer, you cannot use this because it will make a mess on your face. Even when you put a little bit, it it's still smudge, so you have to be careful. And most of the time, especially like me, I have long hair and it's windy and it goes like this and everything is a mess. I really, really like how it looks on my lips. My lips looks healthier, smoother, moisturized. It somewhat look plump. What I don't like is how the color looks patchy. It's not even, especially when you put a lot of product. It doesn't look even. One problem that I noticed about this product is the tube. When you squeeze this, when you push this, a lot of product goes out and most of the time it goes to waste because you cannot put a lot of product on your lips because when you put a lot of products on your lips, it tends to smudge more. So it's really, really not good. You want to put a small amount of product on your lips and then do this to even it out, not a big product. And even if you do put a lot of product on your lips, it still goes to waste because it will just smudge. That's the only problem with that tube. So if you're gonna ask me if I'm gonna buy this product again, probably yes, because this is one of the best product that I'm using right now because of the benefits of lightening the lips. I really, really like that. And that's the reason why I really bought this one. I just don't like that it's smudge. So yeah, I will buy this in different color, a lighter color, so that if you smudge it, if you accidentally smudge it, the color will not be noticeable or your face will not look messy. So I'm gonna give my final verdict now. This product for me is 9.5. 9.5, it's almost perfect, but 9.5 because it's smudge. Okay, it's smudge. That's the only reason why I gave 9.5. This is a perfect product, almost perfect product, but it's smudge. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like my review for tonight. Please support my channel by liking this video and subscribe if you're watching through YouTube. And follow me on Facebook if you're watching through Facebook. And don't forget to comment down below what are the products, what do you think of this video, what do you think of this product, and what are the products that you want me to test for you. So that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching. See you next week.